Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas, guys. It's Christmas morning. We are heading off to go to see family. We're going to be having Christmas together with our family here. So yeah, Merry Christmas to you guys.
It's a mother kulaini mwachetu.
What is my husband now? But today I've been dreaming about the better days. Yeah. I've been dreaming about the better days. No.
Long hair, all hers, she embodied, God gave it.
I'm school now.
I'm so big.
I'm so ready for my happy days.
Yeah, I know what it is. My husband now. But today I've been
No, it's her, not me. No, it's her. It's her. Good. And it's when I'm from. Well, that's my legend. She got it. She fought.
Qualification.
Hi, my name is Tatenda I studied biomedical science at Victoria University in Australia, and I completed a double major in anatomy and physiology. For those who don't know, biomedical science is a foundation to medical courses such as medicine, dentistry, and things like that. My next plan with this degree is to hopefully get into surgical dentistry. And yeah, I'd just like to say thank you to my parents, I guess, for being with me, for, cooking me dinner and stuff when things were hard. Dad for doing the dishes when I couldn't do them because of studies and assignments. My mom for always encouraging me when things got rough. The last year was definitely one to put in the books. It was a very, very hard year for me. I really didn't think I was going to make it, but I did. And I just want to thank my parents and my friends and my family, everyone for encouraging me and for making me realize that it's achievable, and it's something that a lot of people have done in the family, and I'm just being added to the record books of people that have done it. So yeah, it's an amazing experience. The graduation ceremony was beyond anything that I had imagined. The amount of love and appreciation I got, and the way everybody just looks at you like you've done something incredible is just amazing. I'll definitely do it again and again and again just for that feeling.
And I thought I was a good speaker. I've been challenged. Congratulations once again, and wish you all the best.